Check out this amazing plugin for your WordPress website that can list all of your store locations or different types of stores. You can put together an entire content curated list of shops or service locations, and you can leverage Google's API so that you can have geo-targeting. Check this out. If I wanted to say New York, I can click on that. It'll zoom down and zoom to a section of New York and show my different store locations right here. If I wanted to click and go externally out to their website, I can change that, but I can also have dedicated landing pages. Check out some options that you can have. You can go full width with the map and have things listed out in a drop-down format here, as well as the search bar. You can have a grid view where you might have the smaller map up here on the top and search capability here, but also them listed out just visually, beautifully responsive as well. You can have a list view with that search bar located at the top, giving people the ease of filtering. Super easy to do like that, maybe by distance, and they'll all adjust dynamically, even with pagination down toward the bottom. What if you wanted to display categorically? Maybe you wanted to highlight different places in your local area. You can do that as well. And you're able to customize the colors, the designs to better match your branding and your website. It even has the capability of allowing us to click Use My Location, and the map will dynamically adjust itself to relocate directly to your user's map dot. The plugin I am talking about is Agile Store Locator. It is the #1 store locator plugin for WordPress. I highly recommend it. I've used it on several of my clients' websites, and for the price, you cannot beat it. They have some WooCommerce add-ons that make this thing even more powerful, allowing folks to go ahead and find their nearest location and purchase from you. So when you're ready to get started with a store locator or a map plugin for your WordPress website, look no further. This is it. I'll put the link in the description box below.